Hello, my name is Chris and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about starting a YouTube channel in 2020 with an iPhone XS. I've been watching videos and creating your own YouTube for several months now, and I'm just now getting the courage to create my own videos to build my own audience. And my goal is to help you through your YouTube and financial journey to build your audience and your own wealth. A lot of the things that the other YouTubers don't cover are things like being scared of being on camera and being afraid to speak and being judged on how you speak or how you look or what your opinions are of the topic that you were talking about in your videos. Not to mention the other things that are not seen in the video, such as how things are edited, how much time it takes to learn and apply what you've learned, etc. So in this video is not going to be edited in any way. I am doing this to show how much you are going to mess up when you first start in YouTube. I am even taking about a half hour to an hour to write this little script that only applies to a couple minutes of talking in the video. What this does is what writing the script does is it makes the thinking and speaking a lot easier, because now you only have to read it off the screen. This and over time you will not need to read the script. You only really need an outline based off what I've seen on other channels. So my channel is going to be about my journey through starting on YouTube from scratch. It will show my growth, my triumphs, and my shortfalls. Most of all, it will show my growth over time. And with the videos on my channel, I hope to show the things that I have learned along the way that can help with others on their YouTube journeys from scratch as well. I hope with this channel to show that even if you are scared to show your face on video or afraid of public speaking, how you can get over that fear and not let it stop you from doing what you want to do. Let this channel be a guide to anyone that have ever been in that same situation and wants to start their own channel. So I am starting this from scratch and building my skills and getting better with speaking, editing, sound, and video manipulations to get the viewer more interested in what I have to say. With all the videos that I've seen, everyone that has dealt with starting a new channel from scratch, I'm not seeing any videos that show their awkwardness, the messing up of the editing, the poor sound, their actual journey from starting from scratch on YouTube. This always seems to show that they always seem to show how they are all polished and perfect. So in this video, I have typed out this script to help me build my confidence in speaking. So I hope to be releasing a video on every third day. So if you would like to see a video on how to start a YouTube channel or even grow your channel from zero, please comment your questions down below and make sure you subscribe to get future videos. And I know you didn't get any information from this video, but you might have gotten interested in this channel with information later down the road that might help you out tremendously. So please like this video so that it will help my channel out tremendously. The reason why it would help is because YouTube pushes videos that have getting engagement. And by engagement, I mean videos that are getting likes, comments, shares, and that sort of interaction. And so if you could, please comment down below and I will reply back saying thank you for commenting. And if you have any questions, I will try to answer them to the best of my ability. Thank you, and I will see you in 3 days.